Good evening and welcome to part 4 of Paranormal Investigations on a Budget. Today we will be looking at a REM Pod. This will be part 1 of building a REM Pod yourself. What you'll need is one of these, a door alarm, quite a simple fix. Can be a bit faffy, as I've found out so far with another build. So I know what I'm looking at now. So we'll get straight into it. So first of all, you'll need soldering iron, solder, screwdriver, various lengths of wire. You'll need a radio antenna. These can be picked up for a couple of quid off Amazon. I think I paid £4-5 for 3 of them. Just be careful though, when you put them in, if you want them straight. Some of them are not, when you put them straight, the plate is not exactly straightish. So just keep that in mind. So straight onto the video. We'll take our REM pod. Already taken the back bit off. So you unscrew it. Remember to keep the screws for later, because you will need them back. Yeah, there we go. Right, so that's the back. Keep those screws safe. So this is the back of the, this is the circuitry. What we are focusing on is this. You actually only need one side of this. I've made a little mistake, and I've had to, with the one we're going to go with, I had to add a little bit extra because I trimmed a little bit too much off, but you literally only just need one side of this. So once you've got the one side, trim off the other side, trim off as much as you need. I'd say you need probably about that much to play around with, because once the antenna goes in, you'll need room to play, room to play around with. So what I've done is, as you can see, there is actually little holes, little circles. What I've done is I've drilled out one of those for the LED that we're going to add. And there's a little one, there's one right behind the antenna there. What I've done is I drilled that one out for where the antenna is going to go. So what I've done here is, as I said, I had to cut this wire down a little bit too small. So I've added a little bit extra, and I've now soldered it to the antenna. So we'll be gluing that into place once everything else is sweet and hunky-dory. So now once that part's done, it's can be a bit finicky, because like I said, however you want, if you want the antenna to fit flush when it goes down, as you can see, it's that's flush sitting down now. But on the back, the bit for where the wire goes is very, very off center. So this is why I said be careful on how much length you're actually taking off before soldering it too. You may want to use a little bit of glue, because I have found that the solder does not actually connect properly to the actual antenna. So that's something we'll be looking at as well. So I've also, like I said, I've also made a hole for the LED. I've also, where did I put it? Got my LED here. I'm going to go with a blue one. I'll go with that's just my style. And you can always share for one you want. So of course, I've already cut a hole. I've already made a hole for the LED to sit in. So it sits in nicely. So what you want is your positive. Goes to the middle pin here, and the negative goes to this pin here on the end. So we'll solder those into place. So there we have it. Hopefully. Only one way to find out. So if I put the in, yeah, as you can see, the light is working and the light thing is working. So we've got all that now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just tidy it up a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of super glue, not super glue, glue gun. I've got a glue gun here. So I'm going to get that started melting, and I can fix the antenna in place, and we can put it back together once we've done that. So I'm just going to go around where we've made my holes. Fill them with a bit of the hot glue just to give it a little bit more sturdiness. We'll get the back. Roll that out cool, and we'll put the back on. And there we have it, one finished REM Pod. If anything comes near it, it will set it off. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Next week I will be doing same video, but with a Junior Theremin circuit board. So tune in for that one, and we will see you then. Goodbye for now.